Hola, my name is Juan and today I will prepare some Argentinian empanadas. I will make them from scratch, but then you can also prepare them in the same way at home. Today's empanadas will be out of beef. We call them carne cortada a cuchillo. They are super juicy, super tasty. And I will also prepare ham and cheese. The ham and cheese, of course, they are always for the kids because they love them. I will also prepare some nice caprese, that they are mozzarella, basil, and some dried tomatoes. From the process point of view, I will prepare first the dough because that requires 1 hour to cool down in the fridge, and then I will prepare the rest. So stay with me and then I will show you how to make the gorgeous Argentinian empanadas at home. Today's ingredients are simple and for approximately 30 empanadas. I melted the butter in the microwave and now I will mix it together with the flour until I get some small grains of the butter mixed with the flour. I will also heat up a bit the water, add some salt and start adding it as well. Keep adding water and mixing until it is sticky enough for starting the kneading process. And then we bring it all together and we start kneading it for approximately 15 minutes. You will know that it is ready when the dough is finally spongy and soft. Now that we have it done, so let's just put it into the fridge for 1 hour and then stretch it and fill up the empanadas. In the meantime, I'll chop the onions and the beef. The smaller you cut them, the better. So we will preheat our frying pan and we will add the onions and we add the beef as well. To spice it up, I will use some cumin, as well as some salt, mixing it a bit, and I will also add a bit of sweet paprika. Once it is properly cooked, I will let it cool down, and after that I will add the olives, as well as the eggs that I already pre-boiled. And later on I will bring it to the fridge altogether. Now I will just bring back the dough from the fridge and I will stretch it a bit, and initially I will split it in pieces, so then I'm working with the dough that I need at the moment, that is not drying out and then making more difficult our job. After I stretch it, I cut it with a circular shape of 12 centimeters and I'm keeping the leftovers for later. As a tip, have some water always nearby, that then you can keep the edges hydrated. And now for the small baskets for the capreses, I will start connecting the edges, as you see, folding them together until you close half of it. And then I will start filling it up. I will use a bit of Gouda cheese in the base, and then I will put some small mozzarella and tomatoes, that I forgot, by the way, to put them in the ingredient list, but they are just a few cherry tomatoes. And then I'll close it to complete the basket and try to put it all together. Fill it up to the top, as the cheese will melt in the oven and that will complete the empty spaces inside. Now I will complete the others and later I will put them into the freezer until the baking time. Later, cutting some more dough in the same way, I will prepare the beef. So you also keep the edges hydrated and then you fold it like this and start filling it up. And then you close it in the middle. Press it gently to seal it and now it's time to start flipping the edges, and this is called repulgue. Be gentle to finish it, but then the dough is not breaking, and also as a tip, have to be hydrated. And the same goes for the rest. So I will have some Gouda cut and I will roll it with some ham, place it in the middle, and then close it. Here I'm making a different repulgue, so it is easier to identify them together with the other empanadas. As you can see, I will fold here just 4 edges and stick them together, and that make it like super cute. Okay, this is the time to put them into the oven, but before I will just use some egg on them, just paint them. That will make them shine and be goldish. I'm using baking paper, with that they won't stick in the container and will be easy to serve. Don't be shy with the egg. Now I will bring them into the oven for approximately 15 minutes, but keep an eye on them. And here we will remove the water that is coming from the mozzarella and tomatoes, and then serve them all. And now it's time for the basil, so that we add it fresh at the end. Super yummy. As we say in Spanish, buen provecho. As you can see, making empanadas is not very difficult, but it's coming with a lot of small tricks. The best one that you can get out of this one, it is like put the empanadas into the fridge, or better into the freezer before the oven, and with that you will ensure that the dough will cook and the remaining part will stay in place, especially for the cheese that used to melt and run away from the empanadas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course if you have further doubts or questions, please let me know in the comment sections. Thanks for watching. Bye.